Hello and welcome to this ZETECH review. It is, like normal, brought to you by ZETECH Technology, Zsoft, and this time N.A.S.T has made it possible for this phone to be reviewed. Now let's start off by taking a quick look at the hardware. It is a 3.5 inch screen, capacitive screen, touchscreen, with a resolution of 320 by 480, and that has a pixel density of 165 pixels per inch. The battery is a 1230 milliamp thing, and the camera here on the back is a 5 megapixel, which is capable of getting shots of 2592 by 1944 pixels. It has no front video chatting camera. So now let's have a look at the overall hardware. On the top you get a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, the aluminium lock switch, which is quite nice. You get on the right side you get the volume rocker. On the bottom you get the microphone, which I don't know whether you can see if the camera focuses. No. Yeah, there you go, the microphone. And then there's the micro USB. Now if we have a look at this phone, if we turn it on, obviously it's got HTC Sense 4. It's ice cream sandwich, not upgradable to Jelly Bean. Now this has a Qualcomm MSM 72258 Snapdragon processor with a 600 MHz Cortex A5 CPU with an Adreno 200 GPU. Now the price of this device, since it's a budget and Android device, is on contract. It is £7.50 a month in the UK with 173 minutes, 5,000 texts, 250 megabytes of data, and that has a permanency of 24 months, and it's a free phone. But off of contract it's £149.95 in the Carphone warehouse. Now the overall experience on this phone, if you're just using it for phone and messages, which is what most users will use this phone for, it's okay, it responds quickly. But if you want to use it for browsing and other things like that, it's not very good, because the processor is a bit slow, because the processor on this phone is only clocked at 1 gigahertz, and you get 512 megs of RAM, which doesn't really support it a lot. You get 4 gig of internal storage, which, let's just check what it ends up as in the settings. If we go to about, and then and there's storage. Sorry, not used to using. You get a total space of 94 megabytes, and that is having 4 gigs of internal storage, so obviously you don't get a lot. Okay, so you don't get a lot of storage, but it has got a micro SD card slot, which is upgradable to up to 32 gigabytes. It has got Java support and a GPS support. It's a multi-touch display, and it's a micro USB 2.0 and Bluetooth 3.0, and it has HSPDA 3G capabilities, no 4G. So you get these 3 capacitive buttons on the bottom with easy swiping off. So yeah, overall it's a nice phone. HTC Sense lets it down. So thank you for watching this review, and I'll see you next time.